Starting with the SSLC of the year 2025 examination 3 question paper it is of the subject mathematics. You can see the date over here. And coming to the first question, multiple choice question, the degree of the polynomial here, the answer is 3. Coming to the second question, the roots of the quadratic, the roots of the equation x plus 2, x minus 3. Here directly they are asked the roots which is equated to 0, and the answer is minus 2 and 3. The third question is the formula to find the sum of first n natural numbers is. The answer is D. Sn is equals to n bracket n plus 1 bracket close divided by 2. Fourth question, if the figure in the figure triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, if AB is equals to 5 cm, BC is equals to 10 cm, DE is equals to 3 cm, then the value of EF is equals to A is the correct answer 6 cm. Fifth question, if sec theta is equals to 2 by root 3, then the value of cos A is equals to, the answer is root 3 by 2. Coming to the sixth question, the formula to find the surface area of the solenoid hemisphere of the radius r is. Go through all the formulas of the surface area and volumes means lesson. So the formulas are very important to solve the questions as well as they are important in the MCQ also. So the answer is 3 pi r square. Coming to the seventh question, diagonals of the parallelogram bisects each other at the point 2, minus 3 if the coordinates of the point of one end of a diagonal are 1, 4, then the coordinates of the point of the other end of the same diagonal are. The answer is 3, minus 10. Eighth question, if P of E, probability of E is equal to 0.05, then the probability of not event is equals to 0.95 is the correct answer, option E. Coming to the answer, the following 1 marks question, direct answers. And how many solution does the pair of linear equation 3x plus 5y plus 8 is equals to 0 and 6x plus 10y plus 16 is equals to 0 have? Answer is infinite number of solutions. Coming to the 10th question, find the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equals to x square minus 5. Here the zeros are plus root 5 and minus root 5. Write the quadratic equation ax square plus c equal to minus bx in the standard form. Here the answer is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where c is the constant number. 12th question is the nth term of the arithmetic progression is 2n plus 3. Find the common difference of the progression. This type of question they will ask in the MCQ also. Go through each and every step so you can solve that in the MCQ also. The answer is here they have solved here, and the common difference is 2. And coming to the 13th question, in the given figure O is the center of the circle and xy is the tangent drawn at the point A. If angle BAY is equal to 50 degree, and then find the measure of angle OAB. Here the answer is OAB is equal to 40 degree. How they have solved, you can see by the method. In the given figure, name the minor segment. Here the answer is AP. B is the minor segment in this figure. Come to the 15th question. Write the formula to find the volume of the sphere having radius r units. Answer is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Coming to the 16th. In an experiment of the tossing a coin once, what is the probability of getting a head? Here is the answer. You can see. Coming to the third main, answer the following questions. Prove that 3 plus root 3. This is a fixed question. Every year they will ask this question, but only the main change is the number. They will change the number and some minor things. Prove that 3 plus root 2 is the irrational number. See the steps and what statements they have written. You should also write the statements as, let us assume 3 plus root 3 is rational. That is, we can find co-prime A and B, where B is not equal to 0. You should write all statements and the steps. Also, you can see the marks distribution at the right hand side, half marks, and here there is again half marks. So half and again half. Total there is 2 marks for this. And solve the given pair of linear equation 2x plus y is equals to 6, x plus y is equals to 4. Here you can also solve this by elimination method. If they have not missed the method, you can solve it by elimination method. Note any alternate method with correct answer give the marks they have told. So any method you can solve, but my suggestion is to solve with the elimination method, which will consume less time. Coming to the 19th question, find the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 10x plus 21 is equals to 0. Here there is OR option. Find the value of the discriminant of the quadratic equation x square plus 6x plus 9 is equals to 0 and write the nature of the roots. Answer is here. For the 19th question, you can see here the answer is x is equals to minus 7 or x is equals to minus 3. And coming to the ORs, here is OR answer, which they have also told to find the roots. Here the answer is real and equal. Real comma equal. 20th question, find the sum of the first 16 terms of an arithmetic 1, 5, 9 using the formula. Here is the answer. You can see it solving. This is from the lesson circles. You can also see how they have solved. Coming to the 20th question, in an triangle ABC, if B is equals to angle B is equals to 90 degree, then find the values of the sin theta and cot alpha. So this is the answer for this. You can see. Come to 23rd, find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 21 centimeter. If angle of the sector is 60 degree, here also they have given the OR option. If the radius of the sector of a circle is 14 centimeter and then the length of the arc of the sector is 22 centimeter, then find the angle of the sector. Here is the answer for the first question, this question. And for the second OR option, the answer will start from here. You can see, you will understand how the difficulty level of the question paper for the year. This time they have increased the difficulty level of the question paper, I think. So coming to the answer, the following questions, it is for 3 marks. Find the LCM and HCF of the numbers. You can see, read the question and how the procedure they have solved. And coming to the 26th question, see, this is a question where from the polynomial lesson. So see the steps. I am not reading the question because the video will be very much lengthy. So you can see the steps by stopping the video. So 27th question is, denominator of the fraction is 2 more than its numerator. This type of word problems you should be practiced more and more, because nowadays they are asking word problems. So students can analyze the question, the difficulty level. So you should practice word problems more and more. And that will help you to score the marks also. 28th question is from the lesson triangle. And coming to the question number, this is the answer what they have solved. 29. This is from the circle lesson. Prove that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point is circle are equal. This is the answer for it. So you can go through it. This is from probability. This is from trigonometry. This is from trigonometry. So you can see how they have solved step by step. The marks are at the right hand side of this question paper. You can see for how many marks it is when asked in the examination. So coming to the question number 31, find the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5, 6 and 1, -1, -4. Also find the points intersection. So this is a complete answer for this question, step by step. So coming to the 32 question, the marks distribution of the 30 students in a mathematics examination are given in the table below. Find the mode. This is from the statistic lesson. So here is also our option. You can solve whichever is easy for you and see the steps how they are solved, and also box the answer. What is the answer you will get? You should box it, and you should also write the formula if you don't know the answer. This is from probability lesson. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. 1 marble is taken out of the box at the random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be? First is red marble, second is not a green marble. So this is the steps to solve the question. So you can see the steps how they are solved. Coming to the 5th main, find the solution for the given pair of linear equation by graphical method. 2x plus y is equals to 8, x plus y is equals to 5. So there is a steps you should solve by this. First you have to find the xy values and you should put them into the table for the particular equation, and you should also write the scale. X-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. You should also write the units. For that only there will be marks. You can see the marks distribution here for the table construction 1 plus 1 2. 2 marks for table construction, drawing the lines and marking the points, 1 marks they will give, marking the x and y points they will give 1 marks. Note any other points can be considered to get straight lines. You can take any of the values to find the values of x and y. Coming to the 35th question, prove that if a line is drawn parallel, this is a theorem. You can see, I think this is a basic proportionality theorem. Sometimes they will give the statement, otherwise sometimes they will give the whole statement, or also they can ask the basic proportionality theorem or BPT in short form. See the steps how they have solved. This is the complete steps you should follow in the examination to score 5 out of 5. Here they ask for 4 marks. 36th question, an arithmetic progression having positive common difference consists of 20 terms. The sum of its first term and the last term is 59. The difference of its 8th term and 6th term is 6. Write the arithmetic progression and also calculate the 10th term of the progression. The answers start from here, but they have given OR option for this. Or question start in an arithmetic progression. The sum of the first 3 terms is 24. The sum of second, fourth, and sixth term is 0. Find which term of this arithmetic progression is minus 24. So for the first question, for this question, the answer will begin from here. N is equals to 20, a plus an is equals to 59. This is the answer for first question. And for the second OR option, the answer will start from below this OR. You can see from here that will second question will start. So this is the steps involved in this. So coming to the 37th question, this is from the lesson trigonometry. In the given figure, the angle of elevation from point P to the point A is found to be 30 degree, and the angle of depression of the point B from the same point is found to be 60 degree. If C is the midpoint of AB and PQ is equals to 50 meter, then calculate the length of AC. Sometimes they will not give the diagram, but maximum time they are given the diagram in the question paper only. So you should only solve the question by using the diagram and some your assumptions also. So this is the assumptions and answer starting how the steps they have followed. You should follow in the same way in systematic manner and box the answer. So they will come to know from where the answer has started and means what is the perfect answer, what we have calculated, and write the meter. Length of AC is equal to 100 meter. You should write the unit. If you not write the unit, they will cut the half marks directly. Answer the following question. This is 5 marks from the chapter surface area and volumes. A metallic solid is formed by surmounting a right circular cone on a cylinder as shown in the figure. The radius of the base of cone the cylinder is equal to 3.5 centimeter. The curved surface area of the cone is equal to the curved surface area of the cylinder, and the volume of the cone is 154 centimeter cube. Calculate the volume of the metallic solid. So this is a diagram, and the solving starts from here. See how they have started the solving. You should also box the answer wherever it is applicable and necessary. So here the answer will end. Thank you for watching till end. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing important questions for every subject on the channel. So do subscribe, and thank you for watching till end.